Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Microservices Patterns with Examples in Java, by Chris Richardson.
This book is aimed at developers, architects, CTOs, and VPs of engineering looking to avoid or escape monolithic architecture. It simplifies microservice concepts, irrespective of your technology stack. Basic knowledge of enterprise application architecture and design, including three-tier architecture, web application design, object-oriented design, RDBMS, interprocess communication, and security, is required. Code examples use Java and the Spring framework. The first chapter delves into the shift from monolithic to microservices architecture, examining their pros and cons. It spotlights FTGO, a successful online food delivery company, and their efforts to address challenges. FTGO's app transformed into a monolith, a single Java web application archive file that grew increasingly complex, obstructing software delivery. The app features a hexagonal architecture with core business logic and adapters for UIs and external systems. Despite its logical modularity, it is packaged as a single WAR file, adhering to the monolithic architecture style. The codebase became too intricate for developers to understand, leading to missed deadlines and rising complexity. Transitioning to a microservices architecture could be a better solution for such a complex application. Microservices are loosely connected components with bounded contexts, perfect for building large, complex applications. The microservice architecture enables scaling an application in 3 dimensions: X, Y, and Z. X-axis scaling distributes requests across multiple instances. Z-axis scaling directs requests based on an attribute, and Y-axis scaling divides the application into services. Each service has specific responsibilities and can be scaled using X-axis or Z-axis scaling. Microservice architecture offers numerous benefits, such as enabling continuous delivery and deployment of large applications, supporting autonomous teams, and improving fault isolation. Each service is small, easily maintained, and independently scalable. This architecture speeds up time to market, ensures reliable service, and boosts employee satisfaction. While microservice architecture has drawbacks and challenges, these issues can be addressed. Challenges include identifying the right set of services, managing the complexity of creating a distributed system, implementing use cases across multiple services, and deploying features that require careful coordination. Developers need advanced skills to effectively use microservices. To assist in decision-making, the author has developed the Microservice Architecture pattern language, referenced throughout the book. This language consists of software architecture and design patterns for microservices. Microservices are great for large applications, but successful software development requires more than just the right architecture. Proper organization and processes are also essential. To avoid communication issues, divide a large engineering team into smaller groups of 8 to 12 members. This allows each team to have a distinct mission and operate autonomously without coordinating with other teams. Remember to take into account the human aspect of adopting microservices. To ensure a successful transition to a microservice architecture, it's important to consider the emotions of your employees. To mitigate potential resistance to a new work approach, provide them with sufficient time to adjust and adapt.
Get this book at manning.com